extra, extra. Read all about it. A fresh start has just hit the market, and you're invited to experience it in person. Join us for an open house this Saturday, April 4th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at 813 Blue Hill Lane in Atlanta, Georgia. A charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch designed for those ready to simplify without sacrificing comfort. This is where less house truly becomes more life. Step inside and you'll find a layout that makes everyday living easy. No stairs, no wasted space, just an open, connected flow between the living room, kitchen, and dining area that feels natural the moment you walk in. The kitchen is functional and inviting, offering everything you need without the extra upkeep. While the dining space is perfectly sized for quiet meals or intimate gatherings. The primary suite provides a private retreat to relax and recharge. And the additional bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, hobbies, or a home office. Out back, enjoy a low-maintenance patio. Just enough outdoor space to unwind without the burden of a large yard. And beyond the home itself, you'll love being part of a swim, tennis, and playground community that brings lifestyle and connection without added responsibility. If you've been thinking about downsizing, simplifying, or stepping into a more manageable way of living, this is your moment. Extra, extra. Don't miss it. Come see why this home just feels right, or comment Simplify for full details and a private tour. Contact Kenneth or Talecia of the TNT Real Estate Team with Floyd Realty Advisors, or comment KEY to get all the details and take your first step toward home ownership.